Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Bybit, a leading cryptocurrency trading platform. In this video, we'll explore Bybit's key features, tools, and user-friendly design. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Bybit offers solutions tailored to your trading needs. We'll start with an overview of Bybit's homepage, which provides easy access to markets, trading pairs, and essential data. The navigation bar offers options like spot trading, futures, and copy trading. Each section is designed to cater to various trading strategies, ensuring everyone can find their preferred method. The video transitions to account creation. Signing up is quick and straightforward. Just provide an email, set a strong password, and confirm your registration. Don't forget to use the exclusive link in the description to receive your new user bonus. Once registered, secure your account with two-factor authentication, an essential step for keeping your assets safe. Next, we delve into the trading interface. Bybit's charting tools are powered by TradingView, providing detailed technical indicators and drawing tools. From limit orders to market orders, all options are easily accessible, allowing traders to execute precise strategies. We'll demonstrate setting up a trade, adjusting leverage, and understanding risk management features like stop-loss and take-profit settings. Moving on, we discuss Bybit's funding methods. The platform supports crypto deposits and third-party payment services for fiat. Users can effortlessly fund their accounts and withdraw profits with minimal fees. Bybit's robust security measures ensure all transactions are secure and protected. An exciting feature we highlight is Bybit's copy trading. This allows users to mimic the strategies of successful traders, making it ideal for beginners. Additionally, Bybit program provides opportunities for passive income through staking and liquidity mining. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. We wrap up the walkthrough by navigating the Rewards Hub, where users can claim bonuses, participate in promotions, and enhance their trading experience. Bybit's educational resources and support services are top-notch, ensuring every trader has the knowledge and assistance needed. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful.